afternoon, but we got this. All right, video 7.1, geometry. I wasn't very creative. We're just going to call this angles, angles, angles. Boy, is this a lot of vocabulary, okay? So hang in there. You need to print out this sheet. This sheet is 16.1, okay, on Canvas, and this is going to make your life so much easier. All right, so the first term for angles I want to talk about is adjacent. Adjacent is just two angles that share the same ray, okay? They're just side by side. It's kind of like saying, 908 and 910 at Sickles are adjacent classrooms. They're side by side. We share a wall, okay? So it's two angles that share a ray. That's adjacent, okay? Your next beautiful pair of angles you need to know is vertical angles. When you draw two lines intersecting, it's going to always create four angles. The two pairs that are non-adjacent, they're not side by side, are called vertical. So look, 1 and 2 are not side by side, they're not adjacent, non-adjacent. 3 and 4 are non-adjacent, those are called vertical angles. We give it a name because there's something important that happens. Vertical angles are always congruent, the same measure, okay? All right, so vertical angles. Now the word vertical does not tell you what it is, because I know vertical means up and down, but they can be up and down or they can be left or right. I'm not sure why they picked the word vertical, okay? All right, next one that's important, linear pair. Linear pair is a special adjacent pair of angles. First of all, why is it adjacent? Well, look, angle 1 and angle 2 are sharing that ray, okay? But not only are they adjacent, over here is a straight edge. So they will always add up to 180. And that's why they gave it the name linear pair. So linear pair is an adjacent pair of angles that adds up to 180. Okay, now keep that in mind. I'm going to go to supplementary first. Supplementary also adds up to 180, but they do not have to be adjacent like they are in this drawing, okay? So any two angles that adds up to 180 is supplementary. And then finally, complementary is any two angles that adds up to 90, okay? If you have a hard time remembering that, just put complementary in alphabetical order with supplementary. Complementary comes before supplementary, and 90 comes before 180. Okay, that is a lot of angles, angles, angles. Oh Lord, is that a lot of angles. So let's try some problems, right? We've got nothing better to do, all right? I think we're gonna start with number 4. Yeah, let's start with number 4. All right, this one is just their favorite problem in geometry. You're gonna see this problem so many times. It's just absolutely insane. Matter of fact, I think it's gonna be worth it. I think I'm just gonna draw this baby. It's just worth drawing it. It's so important. How's that? And I am not the best at drawing, but I think I can do this. All right, so 43 degrees. Okay, so this is the problem I was showing you. This is that problem number 4. Okay, first thing you want to look for, I think, is what I call vertical angles. Okay, vertical angles are non-adjacent angles created by, look, it's created by two lines that intersected, right? See, these are adjacent, so not vertical. These are adjacent, but look, these y is not adjacent to this. So if this is 43 degrees, you can put 43 degrees over here. Okay, then see this nice straight edge right here? Okay, that means that this is half a circle. It adds up to 180. So to find angle x, you go 180 minus 43, and you're going to get 137. So I'm going to put 137 degrees here. These are not vertical, these are not vertical, but x and z are vertical, so then this is also 137. Okay, if you travel all the way around this drawing, you're going to make a circle. So why am I saying that? Look, 137 plus 137 plus 43 plus 43 travels full circle, so that's going to be 360. Wait, what's that? You don't believe me? Oh Lord. Okay, here we go. Ready? 137 plus 137 plus 43 plus 43 is 360 degrees. Okay? All right, talk to me. Linear pairs add up to 180. Vertical angles are congruent. Lots and lots of language, isn't it not? What's that? You need one more? All right, let's do it. Let's try number 12 then. All right, let's see what's going on with number 12. Okay. All right, so the measure of angle KNM. KNM right here is 8x minus 5, and MNJ right down here is going to be 4x minus 19. Okay, all right. Let me do the same thing with this one. Let's draw this baby. All right, I think it'll be much easier if I just draw it for you so we can get in there, you know, and do the nitty gritty here and get into this problem. Woohoo! For me, it's late in the day as I'm making these videos, so I might be getting a little more loopy, and of course that's been supersized. Okay, so I'm going to read. Are you ready? It says angle KNM. KNM, look, KNM is 8x minus 5. Okay? It says angle MNJ is 4x minus 19. Look, these are adjacent angles, okay? If you notice, not only are they adjacent, but look, they make a straight edge right here. So these two angles are going to be supplementary. They're going to add up to 180. All right, we got this. So you're going to take your 8x minus 5, your 4x minus 19, and we're going to add that up. All right, that's 12x's minus 24. What a strange, 12x, that's where that's right. And we set it equal to 180. All right, add 24 to both sides. 12x equals 204. Divide by 12, divide by 12. Yes, you can use a calculator. Oh no, make sure you put 204 first. So 204 divided by 12, and we get x is 17. Everybody with me? X is 17. Now don't do a Mr. Mac because it says, hey, find the measure of angle KNM. All right, so look, here is angle KNM. I got to grab that expression, 8 times your number minus 5. I got to plug a 17 in there, all right, because they wanted angle KNM. And I'm going to go 8 times 17, 8 times 17, which gives me 136. Subtract 5, and you get 131. Woohoo! Absolutely exciting. All right, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. All right, it's good seeing y'all. Take it easy.